Hi guys, we received this TEEHO Keypad digital deadbolt with handles for viewing purposes, and it's a very nice set. I'm gonna open it. It comes with all the instructions you need to install the handles, the installation of the handle. Here we got the proper handle set. See, it's quite nice. It's locking. And in here we've got the digital deadbolt with a key. It just has 4 AAA batteries. So let's go and install it. So as you can see, now it's ready. It works perfect. Now I've had it unlocked, but you can close it. And to unlock it, you need to put the code, then press this button. I'm gonna put it. And as you can see, it unlocks. It works perfect in your house. So now you can be now more secure. And it's really easy to install it. I like it a lot, and it's weird. I recommend it.